get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and the thumbnail, you could see what's gonna go down in the video. So yeah, guys, and if y'all didn't see the video before all of this, y'all could go watch it. It's post up and all of that. So yeah, so this is gonna be like episode 16 or so of rebuilding the Q. I got the bumper right there, I got the door, and also I just picked up a hood for the Q. I got a wicked deal on this, so I couldn't like give it up, so I gotta go for it, you know. Got a wicked deal on that. So I got the doors. Also, I'm gonna have to get like 2 mirrors, and this easy to change. I'm gonna change that out probably next week or so. But yeah, and also I got some racing seats coming for the Q, so stay tuned for that. I got air suspension, I got all of that. The fender right there. Got the new bumper on, and we got the radiator support right here, brand new. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, so I clean out the Q, put back the airbags and all of that. So yeah, guys, so let's get it. Okay guys, so I took that door off, so I'm taking the panels off real quick and transfer it to the new door. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get the GoPro real quick and show you guys what it's gonna be done. Okay guys, so we get this part off, so we're gonna get this part now. It's for the trim for the speaker right here, and I think it's only hold on by some 3M tape. So let's get it. Oh fuck. And the motor right here. Let me see how to get this out. So just like that, and it's gonna go like right here on this one. So it's gonna go like this, but I'm gonna have to get the things to like put right here. So just like that. Trying to get these back real quick. Let's see. The window. Alright, that's about it. I think. Yeah, that's about it. So I think these go like right here. So you turn it like this and press it right there. Yeah, it goes like right here. Same thing goes for this one. You put it right here, then twist it to the side, then yeah, that's it. So whenever I get the mirror, I could just like set it up. But yeah guys, so time to put this on. I'm trying to see where this goes, but I don't see this part, the gray part, on this one. Okay guys, so it's time to put this back. So all you gotta do is put in back the clips. And remember to stick this wire out. This for your puddle light. Alright, so one screw go right here and another one go right there. So don't forget guys. So let's get it. So just like that, the door is on, but remember I'm gonna have to get the mirrors for that. But so far so good. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the build, man. It's gonna be a wicked comeback, so make sure you all stay tuned. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try to like set it up. Try to like set it up right now. So let's see. I'm using the jack. So I'm gonna use the jack to like help me jack it up. First I have to like go back a little bit. Alright, it's good. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to take this part off. Let me see something first guys. So I'm gonna have to take this one off. So yep, because I got one right there, so I'm gonna have to take this one off. Alright, let's get it. So it's probably gonna be a 12 or so. It's probably gonna be a 12. Yeah, it's a 12. Oh shit. Yeah, so it's a 12 right there. Yeah, so just like that, it's off. But now, let's get it. Let me see first. So we good now. So I have to jack the car up a little bit first, guys. So I'm gonna put that out a little bit like that. Let me drop it a little bit more. Let me see something. Oh shit, I almost got it. Almost got it, guys. Let me see first. Shit, where my phone at? Oh. Okay, guys, so the front door is on. As you can see right there. It was a bitch to put on because I got no space like right here. All the space is over there. Oh yeah. Door fits nicely. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And the next video is gonna be about the steering wheel airbag and some bucket seats, but I'm not gonna say which bucket seats I got yet. So y'all would have to like stay tuned for the next video to drop. So yeah, guys, we're making progress. As I said before, we got the hood over there, got my jacket. So yeah, guys, so I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.